Days away, and the scheduled execution of Rodney Reed has been called off. The Texas Court of Criminal Appeals announced that this afternoon.
The judges ruled that there may be new facts and evidence that could affect his conviction. KXAN's Alex Capriello spoke to family, witnesses, lawyers, and judges all day. He explains what happens next.
It's not okay to execute somebody when there's all these questions.
I think this was a very big victory for Reed.
As the news broke Friday afternoon, the Rodney Reed camp celebrated the decision that saved his life.
I don't know when we're going to get opportunity to get that fair trial, but I know we're headed that way.
The Court of Criminal Appeals found the state may have suppressed evidence and presented false testimony during the 1998 trial. For example, Jimmy Finnell, Stacey Stites' then-fiance, told a jury that he didn't kill her. Later, court docs show he confessed to another inmate in jail, saying, "I had to kill my N-word loving fiance." Documents also show information provided by witnesses doesn't match up with Finnell's testimony. One witness told me she'll be there when called to the stand.
Give him a fair trial, listen to the witnesses, me amongst a lot of other people.
Elsa Alcala, a former judge on the Court of Criminal Appeals, says it'll be at least a year until witnesses are called and evidence is examined.
He's going to get a new bite at the apple, but he's got new evidence of that, and so he gets another hearing.
Alex Capriello, KXAN News.
Kim Kardashian West says that she was actually at the prison in Livingston with Reed today. She's been advocating on his behalf. She tweeted that she had the honor of being with him as he got the news. We were able to reach Jimmy Finnell's lawyer tonight. He says in a statement, it is a travesty that this case is once again being returned to the trial court in light of Reed's horrific career of murder, sexual violence, and lies. He says Reed's rape victims cry out for no further delays in his execution. We've reported on the sexual assault allegations against Reed. Court records show the mother of some of his children filed charges against him in 1991. They were dropped weeks later. In two other cases, females in Bastrop were allegedly raped and beaten, but they were never able to identify their attacker. One was 12 years old. Reed's DNA matched the DNA found in those victims, but at last check, those cases were still pending in Bastrop County. You could read more about the sexual assault allegations against Reed on our website, KXAN.com. Look for our extensive coverage called Murder in the Lost Pines.